Here we have a 69 plate BMW 320i XDRIVE M Sport. Now this vehicle comes with over £3,000 worth of optional extras, all of which are listed on the website, but they include the M Sport Plus package and the Comfort package. We have the 19-inch alloy wheels in gloss black, all in excellent condition, and with the blue M Sport brake calipers. Alpine white exterior paintwork. We have the LED headlights, two gloss black front grills. We also have the gloss black front splitter as well, part of the M Performance kit. We have the side skirts along the bottom, colour-coded door handles and door mirrors, black trim around the windows with the privacy glass for the rear passengers. We also have the shark fin antennae up top, along with the rear spoiler just here. We have the front and rear parking sensors with a visual display and also a reversing camera. We have the dual legs exhaust with the rear diffuser at the back, and also a power assisted tailgate which can get opened with a press of a button on the remote. And then walking back round to the driver's side, you find this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So take a look then at the interior. If you have a look at the back first, you find we have the full black leather interior, foldable armrests in the centre and the fixed ISO points back here. We also have the ambient lighting across the doors, climate control for the rear passengers. We also have the M Sport style seat belts, electric windows on the doors along with the brushed metal door handles. Again at the front we have the same full leather interior, and both the front seats are heated, and there's a quick look at them. We have the electric mirrors, electric windows which are locked for the rear, automatic lights, the automatic wipers. We have a multifunctional steering wheel. If you take a seat inside, then you'll find we have the digital dashboard just here in front of us. If you put our foot on the brake, press the start button, then the vehicle will start up for us. As you can see, we do have the paddle shifters on either side of the steering wheel. We have the cruise control and the speed limiter. Steering wheel is also heated, so if you press this button just here, then the steering wheel is now activated. As you can see on the digital dashboard, we're also free from any warning lights. We have the main screen here in the centre, which is touchscreen. We also have the dial and also the shortcuts down here. So click onto the media, you find we have the radio up here, along with all these other options just here, with the Bluetooth phone connectivity. We have all these apps that are currently installed as well. If you go into the main menu, go into car, go onto the settings. This is where you find the interior ambient lighting with plenty of colours to choose from. We have the intelligent safety. If you press this button, making it a very safe vehicle to drive. We also have the adaptive drive mode. We have the eco drive mode, comfort and sport. Putting the car into reverse, you find we have the reversing camera along with the front and rear parking sensors. Further down, you find we have the heated seat buttons on either side. We have the ice-cold air conditioning with the climate control, all working as it should do, as you can see. Inside of here, you find we have the wireless phone charging, the cup holders. We have the automatic gearbox, the different drive mode buttons, electric handbrake, and a nice leather armrest in the centre. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today. If you'd like to find out more, then please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT, and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching.